In front of me is OPPO Find X8 and today I would like to show you how you can use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use the switcher at the top right corner to activate it and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard, just copy or cut any text, and to paste it right away, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, but within an hour, click on this Clipboard icon again and click on your text here. If you want to use it after an hour, hold it and use pin icon to pin it. You can unpin it the same way. If you want to get rid of it, you can hold it and tap on delete, or simply swipe it to the right. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!